Hello viewers and my dear subscribers. In this video, we'll be seeing how hackers create PasteJacking attacks so that they can hack into their victim's machine and gain reverse shell. This video is only and only for educational purpose and make sure you do only in ethical way and do not mislead the video's content. Make sure that you subscribe our channel to receive all the instant notifications and updates we give regularly. Okay, let's get into the video. Before that, make sure you subscribe and follow in our social media pages, and if you have any further doubt, visit our website for further guidance. Let's get into the video. Before seeing how hackers perform page-jacking attacks, let's understand what is mean by page-jacking attacks basically. Page-jacking cyber attack where malicious queries manipulate clipboard content, replacing copied text with the harmful code. When user paste this code into a command line or input field, it can execute unauthorized commands and potentially compromise your systems. We'll be using Devincy's page-jacker tool to exploit it. Basically, if you have a website, if you visit a website like geeks4geeks.com, you will have some command lines. Also, in some websites, you will have a copy button. If you click on the copy button, you will be able to copy the command. But in few hacking websites created by hackers, they eventually also copy this command and also have a reverse shell command in the background which you will not notice. If you copy and paste in a command prompt or any PowerShell, you will be able to see all the command executed as well as hacker will get the reverse shell without your prior knowledge. Let me show you how hackers perform it. Okay, to demonstrate it, I'll be using a tool called PasteJacker created by Devincy. Here is the command line which is required for installing. Let me copy it and paste it in my Kali machine. Okay, let's wait for some time until it gets cloned and execute all the required commands. Okay, if you see after successful installation, you will be seeing a command line like this. Okay, now you see I will be using Windows, the first one, and I'll be downloading and executing a MSF and backdoor using the above one. Okay, I'll be just using the reverse TCP command and I'll be copying my IP address so that the machine would reverse connect to me. Okay, I'll copy this IP address and just paste here. Okay, my default port I can set to 4444. Okay, let's wait some time to complete the backdoor and to execute it. Okay, if you see now, the MSF and backdoor is successfully saved and the Metasploit resource file is saved here. Okay, now let's go open another command line and view the root permissions. Now we will be opening our MSF console with the command line there. Okay, let's copy this and paste it. Okay, in meanwhile, we should set up the web server so that the user could copy it. Okay, I'll be using the second one using JavaScript to hook and replace the copying data. I'll be just giving the port as 80 default. Okay, here you can give any text so that user could be social engineered to copy the data. Let us give a simple command. Okay, I have simply give ls command and if I give double enter, it will be starting in port 8080. Now, if you try to copy the command listed here and just paste in your command prompt and see what is happening. If you see here, we have a successful Meterpreter session open here. And now the hacker could eventually exploit your system. Okay, now if you check for session, you have a session 2. If you give, we have a successful Meterpreter session here. You can do all the privileges here. Okay, now we have successfully managed to hack the system via PasteJacking attack. This is only for educational purpose and do not mislead its content. Okay, for advanced attack, hackers just modify this HTML file and use social engineering to get approached to their victims. Okay guys, meet you in another video. Until then, stay updated and subscribe our channel for more content. This video is only for educational purpose. Learn the art of hacking with CodeSafeguard.